If you have a new website and you are just dying to get traffic from Google, this video is for you. Hey, this is Mikey Moran, and this is part of Building a Brand series where I am building a hair company from start to never finished online. And today we're going to go over some quick SEO wins that you can do for your website to help drive additional traffic. The best part about this is we are going to use Google Search Console's free SEO tool. I guess we would call it an SEO tool, but it's a free tool. So first thing you need to do is make sure that you have Google Search Console hooked up for your website, get it connected, so that way you can start feeding and getting data from Google. Now, what we're going to do is hop into our website's Google Search Console, and I'm going to show you how to analyze a few things and how to possibly improve a few pages on your website to move further up in the rankings, and then this should drive more traffic and sales to your website. So let's hop over to the computer and let's get started. All right, now you can see we are on the Google Search Console page for hairfreak.com. This is the brand we are building. Hopefully you've caught some of my earlier episodes where I'm just walking you through step by step of what it takes to start an e-commerce business. Now, as you can see here, even though I have it date for the last 3 months, we actually just started getting data on 10/15. I'm recording this on Sunday, November 17th, about 6 p.m. Yes, it's Sunday and I'm working. This is the side hustle, and this is what it takes to get it going 7 days a week. Now, if you take a day off, that's totally cool. But, for me, I just need to make sure that we are getting at least a little bit done on the weekends. So what I want to show you here is some of the data. If I just go to the overview page, it's going to show that we've had a total of 9 clicks. Not so impressive as of yet, but we are getting pages indexed, and this is just the beginning stage. SEO is a long game, but if you don't get in the game, you're never going to get traffic and sales. Now, if we go over here to some of our notifications, you can see we got a congratulations 5 clicks. So we will continue to get these as we improve our search appearance. Real quick, if you're thinking about starting your own hair business and want a fast way to get started, make sure you check us out here at Dropship Beauty. We have pre-made templates with our Dropship Beauty app that gives you access to hundreds of products. We warehouse everything in Atlanta. We ship the same business day for the early morning orders. Otherwise, it generally ships in 1 business day. And this is a great way to get started having your own hair business. Now back to my SEO tutorial. Now, if we go over here to performance, you can see total impressions, click-through rate, average position, not looking so good. In my previous video, I think we were under 10. The one I created a few weeks ago, we were probably under 10 keywords. Now we're at 85 within Google, which is pretty respectable in just a few weeks. We did just publish a bunch more blog posts, so I'm expecting this to increase. And once I build a few backlinks, I know this is going to skyrocket. Now, first thing we're going to do is we can go here and we can do average click-through rate, which honestly, I'm not even going to mess this up because I'm not going to add that extra data because it's pretty much 0 for everything. Average position and clicks. So you can see our positions here for certain terms. Deep wave closure, number 5, actually, this could potentially, depending on the search volume, start sending us some traffic to the website. But let's just start at the top, bulk human hair. So this is the term bulk human hair. You can see the query, bulk human hair, and you can see the pages. And the actual URL is bulk hair. It would be great if it was bulk human hair, but that's okay. But you can see here the H1 for the page is, this would be an H1. This is a heading 1. There should only be 1 on a page. It is bulk human hair. You can see in my meta information here, bulk human hair, okay? So we do have this pretty optimized for bulk human hair. Braidless bulk human hair. We have it in an H2. We have it in an H3. We have it mentioned throughout. So at this point, there's probably not too much I'm going to do for the term bulk human hair because we even have it in the product name, bulk human hair. We don't want to over optimize. That's the key, guys. You don't want to be keyword stuffing. You don't want to throw too many other words in there. Now, if we go back here, and we're going to see some of these other terms. So it's Google's liking our bulk hair page, lace frontals, transparent lace closure, affordable hair bundles. Let's see what page that is for, hair bundles. One easy way to do this is I can do a Command F and I'll do affordable. Okay, this is a perfect example. So you can see here, affordable hair bundles is not showing up on this page. Now, here's the thing. Google is giving us this page or the ranking for affordable hair bundles. 25 impressions, not bad. No clicks yet. Okay, let's see what position we are. Average position is 50. So what would happen if we added affordable hair bundles to the page? We're now telling Google, hey, this could be something that these are affordable hair bundles. So let me go over here. Let's go over to products, collections, and yes, I am on Shopify, and we're going to search for the collection hair bundles. Okay, not hair bundle deals. You can put that in quotes and not so much will show up. So cheap hair bundles, we have best bundles on a budget. So Google knows that we are talking about affordable hair bundles. Now, I could go into Ahrefs, it's my expensive SEO program, and see how many times estimated people are searching for affordable hair bundles. But I'm pretending like I don't have that program because I've started this on a budget, and I want to show you guys things that you can do utilizing free tools that Google offers. Okay, so first things first is we're going to have to just add the term affordable hair bundles in here at least once, maybe twice. Best bundles on a budget. Best affordable. You see where I'm going? Affordable hair bundles on a budget. I think that would be pretty good. So best affordable hair bundles on a budget. We're getting the same message across. Let's check down here. Hair bundles, affordable hair weave bundles. Okay, so we have affordable here, we have affordable there. So this is where Google's getting the affordable keyword from. Affordable. And we could add it one more time if we really want to sprinkle it in. Affordable. These blended affordable. So you can see we're not really doing, it's not like you have to do too much. And like I said, you don't want to keyword stuff. So we're going to just go ahead and save that. And that's pretty much it. What we would do is check back in probably a couple weeks and see if we get any additional movement. Now, if we wanted to push the needle additionally, we might even go over to one of our blog posts and link over to this page calling it affordable hair bundles. So let me go ahead and show you how to do this. So blog post, let's find one that is... Honestly, we could almost do it with any of the blog posts because we can add affordable hair bundles in there pretty simply. Blend human hair bundles with your hair like a diva. Okay, maybe this one. So this one's talking about human hair bundle deals, human hair bundles. Let's see what this is. Hair bundles. Okay, so you can see here. Let me show you this quick and easy tip. So you can see hair bundles is the URL, okay? Now in this blog post right here, actually we have the link affordable hair bundles, okay? But the actual URL or the actual keyword is just bundles. So let's go ahead and add affordable hair bundles, your affordable hair bundles. And then what we're gonna do here, let me just grab the link again. So instead of just saying hair bundles, we're going to make the entire link affordable hair bundles. Okay, so affordable hair bundles. Now, the reason why I redid the link, this is what you have to do. We don't have so many blog posts and so many links yet. Now, what I want you to understand is you need varying text. Meaning it's okay to maybe have once or twice have it say affordable hair bundles and link to that page, but you can't keep repeating the same thing. You have to be a little creative. Put cheap hair bundles, hair bundles of affordable hair. You see where I'm going with this? So you want to continue to change up the text as you're adding different blog posts. Now, I went ahead and found that one link because what I didn't want to do is add a second link on the same blog post, linking to the same product collection page. It's crucial that you're linking to product collection pages because this is one of Google's favorite things to rank. And I'm telling you, on some of my other websites, the SEO, the collection pages are driving tens of thousands of dollars every single month in sales by getting so much traffic to them. Now, that's eventually going to happen to this brand as I show you step by step of what to do, but it is going to take some time. And I mean, I'm not really honestly expecting too much sales from SEO for another at least probably 6 months. But over time, it will start to pick up. It's going to be very gradual. Think of it like going to the gym. You go to the gym one time, you're not going to notice a difference. But if you're consistent doing the right thing and going to the gym and maybe, I think education is maybe just nutrition. You do that for 6 months, all of a sudden you're going to start noticing a big difference on your website and your body. But think of it as kind of the same thing as it's just going to be a gradual process. And I'm going to continue to keep up with you guys and show you the inside of exactly how many keywords I'm getting, how many clicks I'm getting, the positions I'm getting. I'm going to show you the inside. So that's why I want to make sure that you're following along episode by episode and doing the same for your business. It's basically what I just showed you today. It's just a simple repeating process. So if I wanted to go here to performance and I wanted to find more keywords, you can just go through any of these keywords and what is hair bundles, maybe not what are bundles of hair. So like same thing, what are human hair bundles? You can go through here and you can add that same keyword, make sure the text is there. Now, this is just something you can do, I would say, every week. You could go in and check some of your new keywords. I would add it to a to-do list. You're not going to sit here and do this for hours and hours. I highly doubt anyone would do that. It would drive you crazy. Now, you could hire a virtual assistant to help with this, and that might be one of the tasks that I eventually add. In yesterday's episode, I went over how to hire a virtual assistant, so I think you need to check that out. That would be pretty cool because with getting more assistance with this, we can get more done faster, which is going to generate a whole lot more sales. Now, if you have any questions about this, make sure you leave it in the comments below. I know you're already going to subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.